So hello everyone, my name is Tirthraj and my today's topic is cryptography, its basic and application in cybersecurity. So let's talk about what is cryptography. Cryptography is like secret code that secure our digital information. It's use encryption to encrypt our data into a secret code language that no one can access it. Now let's talk about fundamental cryptography concept. First one is encryption, second one is key management, third one is hashing and its integrity, and fourth one is authentication. Let's talk about encryption and decryption. Encryption is like that convert our data readable text into unreadable, and decryption convert unreadable data into readable text to secure our data. And the second one is key management. The safe making of key, distributing it, and storage of cryptographic key is very crucial for our data security. And third one is hashing and integrity. Hashing creates a special digital footprint that ensure our data reliability and check if it's tampered or not. And the authentication confirms who we are talking with. So it's create digital communication more trustworthy. Now let's talk about key consideration in cryptography. First one is key management, second one is algorithm selection, and the third one is cryptography standards. Let's talk about key management. Ensuring the creation, distribution, and storage of cryptographic keys is very crucial for our data security. And the second one is algorithm selection. Choosing the best algorithm from AES, RSA, and ECC to what security level we need, and the algorithm works fine with our system. And the third one is cryptography standard. Following the rules best practicing like those suggested by NIST and ISO to check our cryptographic strong and works well with our system. Now let's talk about types of cryptography. First one is symmetrical key cryptography, second one is asymmetrical key cryptography, and third one is hash function. Symmetrical cryptography use same key to encrypt and decrypt the data. It's usually used in locally stored server and drives to encrypt the sensitive data and secure it. And the asymmetrical cryptography key use two keys, for public key to encrypt and private key to decrypt. It's usually used in public network to protect sensitive data over public network. And hashing function use a unique number identifier to encrypt the data. Is usually used in OS to encrypt the password. Now let's talk about cryptography in cybersecurity. First one is data encryption, second one is identity and access management, and third one is network security. Now data encryption, necessary to secure our digital assets from data breaches and unauthorized access to encrypt our data privacy. The identity and access management. Cryptography technique used to identify the user identity and manage the user control over our digital infrastructure. And the third one is network security. Cryptography secures communication channels and protocols ban in the middle abstract and safeguarding our integrity of digital communication. Everyday application of cryptography. First one is digital currency, second one is e-commerce, and third one is military application. Digital currency cryptography like Bitcoin, Ethereum rely on cryptography to secure their transition and secure their transition. Second one is e-commerce. E-commerce use cryptography to hide their sensitive data, financial data and transaction over e-commerce platform. And the military operation. Cryptography has been long used in military operation communication to encrypt their sensitive data from secure unauthorized access. Now let's talk about cryptography vulnerabilities and attacks. First one is brute force attack, second one is side channel attack, and third one is quantum computing threat. In brute force attacks, attackers can try to guess your cryptography key or password to gain unauthorized access over your data. It's easily countered with strong cryptography. The second one is side channel attack, exploiting unintended or electrometric leaks to recover sensitive information. Require or which counter with careful design of cryptography. And the third one is quantum computing. The potential of quantum computer can easily break the public key algorithms to encrypt their data, to decrypt the data. It's require quantum cryptography to save from quantum computing threat. Thank you everyone for listening me.